Good day, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to continue with the new voices revision. Before that, you are going to tell me what we have done in previous period of new voices. Come on, tell me what have we done? Yes, we have done the revision of frame sentences, past tense and animal sound. Do you remember that? And did you all learn? Very good. Now we will continue with the remaining part of the revision. Children, whatever revision I am taking, you are going to learn very nicely. So, let us start. Today, we are going to continue with Roman first D question. Okay? Roman first A we have finished. Roman first B we have finished. And Roman first C we have finished. Okay? So, today we are going to do Roman first D question. Okay? So, I'll read the head question. Listen carefully. Choose the correct word for completing the blanks. Again I am repeating. Choose the correct word for completing the blanks. First question. See here is fill in the blanks. You have to complete the blanks by choosing the correct option. You are going to click on the correct option. First one. Dash have lovely smell. Dash have lovely smell. Socks or flowers? Options are socks have lovely smell or flowers have lovely smell. Do socks have lovely smell? No. Then flowers. Yes. So, flowers have lovely smell. So, tick or click on flowers. Okay. So, flowers have lovely smell. Move to the next question. Number 2. It is the sweet smell of dash. It is the sweet smell of dash. Options are gulab jamuns and luchi aloo. Gulab jamuns and luchi aloo. So it is the sweet smell of what? Gulab jamuns or luchi aloo? Does the sweet smell comes from gulab jamuns or luchi aloo? Think and give the answer. Come on. Yes, it is a sweet smell of gulab jamuns. So you are going to put a tick or click on gulab jamuns. So it is the sweet smell of gulab jamuns. Okay. Move to the next question. Number 3. The dog had to cross a dash. The dog had to cross a dash. Tunnel or river? Options are tunnel or river. So the dog had to cross a tunnel or a river. Come on, tell me the answer. Yes, the dog had to cross a river. So, click on river. Click on river. The dog had to cross a river. Okay? Next question. Number 4. The piece of meat looked dash in the reflection. The piece of meat looked dash in the reflection. So does the piece of meat looked smaller or bigger in the reflection? Think and give the answer, children. The piece of meat looked smaller or bigger in the reflection? Yes? Yes, it looked bigger. So click on bigger. Okay, that's why the dog started barking now, because he wanted that big piece of meat. Okay, so he started barking and he opened his mouth, and what was there in his mouth? The piece of meat fell into the water. So the piece of meat looked bigger in the reflection. Okay, move to the next question. Number 5. Dash, roar and play. Dash, roar and play. Lions or cows? Options are lions and cows. So who roar and play? Lions roar and play or cows roar and play? Yes, lions. So click on lions. Lions roar and play. Okay. Next question. Number 6. Elephants dash. Elephants dash. Eat or spray. It's from the poem. Elephants dash. Eat or spray. Come on. We are going to the zoo. From that poem it is. What did elephants do? They eat or they spray? Yes, they spray. So elephants spray. So click on spray. Elephants spray. Next question. Number 7. The old shawl was used as a dash. The old shawl was used as a dash. As a bed sheet or tablecloth. Yes, the monk used the old shawl as bed sheet or tablecloth. Come on, tell. Yes, he used as a bed sheet. The old shawl was used as a bed sheet. The old shawl was used as a bed sheet. Next one. Number 8. The monk wanted a dash. The monk wanted a dash. Options are shawl or bed sheet. Shawl or bed sheet. The monk wanted a, come on, tell me. He wanted a shawl or a bed sheet. He wanted a new shawl or a new bed sheet. Yes, he wanted a shawl. So click on shawl. So the monk wanted a shawl. Okay. Next one. Number 9. This is my new soap. I can dash it. This is my new soap. I can dash it. Options: taste or smell. Taste or smell. So this is my new soap. I can taste it. Can you taste the soap? No, then we can smell, no? So this is my new soap. I can smell it. So smell. Click on smell. This is my new soap. I can smell it. Very good. Next one. Number 10. This is my art book. I can dash it. It is so pretty. This is my art book. I can dash it. It is so pretty. Options are here and the other one is see. Here and see. This is my art book. I can hear it or see it. Can we hear the art book? No. Then can see. It is so pretty. So answer is C. This is my art book. I can see it. It is so pretty. Okay. Move to the next question. Number 11. The dog dash at the other dog. The dog dash at the other dog. Barked or jumped. Two options are there. Barked or jumped. The dog dashed at the other dog. Barked at the other dog or jumped at the other dog. He wanted that big piece of meat. So what did he do? He started barking. Okay. So dog barked at the other dog. So click on bark. The dog barked at the other dog. So answer is barked. Okay. Next one. Number 12. He needed it for dash. The monk, that is the monk. He needed it for what? Winter, summers or winters. He wanted the new shawl for what? For summers or winters. He needed it for, yes, he needed it for winters. So click on winters. Click on winters. He needed it for winters. Okay. Next one. Now we are going to start with Roman second. Roman first, A, B, C and D we had finished. Now we are starting with Roman second head question. I'll read. Choose the correct answer for the given questions. Choose the correct answer for the given questions. Okay. Now we are going to start with the question and answers. Question is given. You have to, and two answers are given. One answer is right and other one is wrong. So you have to choose which is the correct answer for the given question. So let us start. Roman question number 1. What did the dog see in a shop? What did the dog see in a shop? The two answers, one answer is right and the other answer is wrong. So we have to see which answer is right for this question. Okay. The first option is the dog saw a piece of meat in a shop. The dog saw a piece of meat in a shop. Second option is the dog saw a piece of bread in a shop. The dog saw a piece of bread in a shop. So what did he see in the shop? A piece of meat or a piece of bread? Think and give the answer. Yes, the dog saw a piece of meat. So click on first option. The dog saw a piece of meat in a shop. Okay. Second one. Number 2. What did the dog see in the water? What did the dog see in the water? Here again two answers are there. One answer is right and one answer is wrong. The dog saw lion's reflection in the water. First option is the dog saw lion's reflection in the water. Second option is the dog saw his reflection in the water. The dog saw his reflection in the water. So, what did the dog see in the water? Did he see lion's reflection or did he see his own reflection in the water? Yes, the dog saw his reflection in the water. So, click on the dog saw his reflection in the water. Okay, move to the next one. Number 3. Do you think the animals have fun in the zoo? Do you think the animals have fun in the zoo? Two options are there. I'll read the first one. Yes, I think the animals have fun in the zoo. Yes, I think the animals have fun in the zoo. Number 2, that is second option. No, I think the animals did not have fun in the zoo. Second option. No, I think the animals did not have fun in the zoo. Now come on, tell me what will be the correct answer. Do you think the animals have fun in the zoo? Were these animals enjoying in the zoo? Yes, yes, I think the animals have fun in the zoo. Click on the first option. Okay, move to the next question. Number 4. Where is the lovely smell coming from? Where is the lovely smell coming from? Options are, first one, the lovely smell is coming from the cow dung. The lovely smell is coming from the cow dung. Second option, the lovely smell is coming from the flowers. The lovely smell is coming from the flowers. So, from where the lovely smell is coming from? From the cow dung or from the flowers? Yes? Very good. The lovely smell is coming from the flowers. So, click on the second answer, second option. Okay? Next one, number 5. What kind of socks does the boy have? What kind of socks does the boy have? Options are, first one, the boy has clean socks. Second one, the boy has dirty socks. First one is, the boy has clean socks. The second option is, the boy has dirty socks. So, come on, tell me, how were the socks? They were clean or they were dirty? Yes, the boy has dirty socks. So, click on the second answer. The boy has dirty socks. Number 6. What did the monk do with the old shawl? What did the monk do with the old shawl? Options. He used it as a bed sheet. He used it as a bed sheet. Next one. He used it as a doormat. He used it as a doormat. So, which is the correct answer? Yes, he used it as a bed sheet. So, old shawl, he used it as a bed sheet. Next one, number 7. What did the monk say to the great Buddha? What did the monk say to the great Buddha? First option, the monk said he needed a shawl for summers. The monk said he needed a shawl for summers. Second one, the monk said he needed a shawl for winters. The monk said he needed a shawl for winters. Which is the answer? Correct answer. Does he wanted a shawl for summers or for winters? Yes, he wanted the shawl for winters. So, click on the second option. Okay. Move to the next question. Number 8. With whom do lions play? With whom do lions play? Options are, lions play with elephants. Lions play with elephants. Second option is, lions play with tigers. Lions play with tigers. So, with whom do lions play? With elephants or with tigers? Yes, lions play with tigers. So, click on the second option. Lions play with tigers. Next Next one, number 9. What happened to the pillow cover? What happened to the pillow cover? There was a hole in the pillow cover, so the monk made it his doormat. First option, there was a hole in the pillow cover, so the monk made it his doormat. Next one, there was a hole in the pillow cover, so the monk made it his pillow. There was a hole in the pillow cover, so the monk made it his pillow. So what is the answer? Yes, the first one. There was a hole in the pillow cover, so the monk made it his doormat. Okay? Children, we have ended with our new voices revision. Prepare very nicely for your exams and get good marks. All the best for your exams. Have a nice day. Bye.